Good afternoon, my dear students. We discussed in our previous class about tangram and tiling with geometrical shapes. Today we will learn about shapes around us. We see different types of geometrical shapes around us. These shapes are triangle, rectangle, square, parallelogram, etc. We also see many solids around us as a sphere, cylinder, cube, cuboid. So we will discuss about geometrical shapes and solids today. Let's start with the geometrical shape triangle. This kind of shape is called triangle. A region which is bounded by three line segments 1, 2 and 3 is called triangle. A triangle has three sides 1, 2, 3. Three corners. This one is called corner or vertex. So three vertices. In plural we say vertices and in singular we say vertex. So triangle has three sides. This one side, this one also side, this one also side. But here vertex or corner. Here vertex, here vertex. Means a triangle has three sides, three vertices. You can write about triangle. A triangle has three sides and three vertices or corner. So wherever you see this kind of geometrical shape, you will name the shape as triangle. Okay. Another one you see this kind of shape. It is called a square. All these sides are equal to each other, and these angles are also equal to each other. Here I am not going to discuss about the angles in these geometrical shapes. Only I am going to discuss with you sides and vertices. So here we are having four vertices and four sides. It is vertex here 1 and 4 sides. So sides we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and vertices we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is a square. It is a square. Means a square has here I am writing a square. A square has four sides and 4 vertices. Similarly, we are having another figure, we call it a rectangle. Here we are having another 4 vertices and 4 sides, but it is called a rectangle. It is called rectangle. It is square. It is triangle. So these geometrical shapes we are having. We have to know about the geometrical shapes. Other geometrical shapes we are also having, like rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, etc. Now we will learn kinds of triangles. This triangle, let us see here. Actually, triangle, when we discuss, in general we discuss 6 kinds of triangles. Triangle on behalf of angles and triangles on behalf of their sides. Here we are going to discuss triangles on behalf of their sides. Suppose a triangle which is made up of equal sides. As you know, there are 3 line segments in the triangle, and if all line segments are equal, then triangle is called an equilateral triangle. It is the first type of triangle in which all the sides are equal. Means here I am drawing a triangle and I am saying this side equals this side. All 3 sides are equal. In this case, then triangle is called equilateral triangle. If only 2 sides are equal, 2 sides, this side, or any 2 sides are equal and third side not equal, then called it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral. It is called isosceles triangle. And another is none of the sides of the triangle equal to each other. Then this is called a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle. Here I am drawing triangle. So these are the 3 types of triangle we are having. You can understand it. The length of this is 3 centimeter. This will be also 3 centimeter, and this will be also 3 centimeter. In this case, this will be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and this one will be 1 centimeter. In this case, it is 3 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, and it will be 5 centimeter. Means the length of all sides of triangle are equal, then it will be equilateral triangle. Length of any 2 sides equal, then isosceles triangle, and length of all sides are different, then a scalene triangle. So 3 types of triangles we have to study. Now we will read about solids. You see different types of solids around us, like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and a sphere. Examples you can take cube examples. You used to play Rubik's cube, or you must have seen the dice with which you play Ludo. That is the example of a cube. You have seen brick, you have seen duster that is used in the class. The shape of this duster is cuboidal shape. You have seen cylinder. See the pen, it is of cylindrical shape. It is of cylindrical shape. You must have seen cube, that is of cubical shape. Ice cream cone you have seen, that is of cone shape. Or birthday cap. Birthday cap is also a type of solids, and the name of the solid is cone. And the football, volleyball you used to play, cricket ball, these all are having the shape as sphere. So these are the solids, about them you have to read. So first solid we have cube. A cube is a solid having all the surfaces are equal. Means if we draw a cube, you see here, in this we will get 6 surfaces. One surface, back 2 surface, up 3, down 4, left 5, and this one right side. If I will be like this, then 6. And a cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. A cube has 8 vertices, 6 surfaces, and 12 edges. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Means a cube had 6 surfaces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. And these all 6 surfaces are identical. Similarly, a cuboid also had 6 surfaces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. See the figure of cuboid? In this case, opposite surfaces are identical to each other. See the example of this one. It is the example of a cuboid. So this surface and this surface are similar. This surface and this surface are similar. Top and bottom, these two surfaces are similar. But total surfaces we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 corners and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. So in this you will learn about the edges and vertices. Now a cylinder is a geometrical shape having curved surface and 2 edges. See the example of cylinder, this one, this chalk. It has curved surface, and here one edge, another one edge is here. So it is example of cylinder. As I told you, birthday cap or crown or ice cream cone is example of cone, and a sphere I told you about cricket ball, volleyball. So these are the examples of a sphere. So I hope you understood about these ones. I will also send PDF of this topic. When you read, you will understand it better. And you have book, you can read also. And your homework will be exercise 9.2. Homework exercise 9.2. Thank you.